Oil prices edged lower on Monday after posting some gains last week. The OPEC Plus agrees to extend the compensation period for output cuts. The ruble depreciates amid falling crude prices. Crude oil prices fell on Monday after reaching its highest level since June during the previous session. The OPEC Plus members fully confirmed their compliance with the production cuts they agreed on earlier this year. In the morning session, Brent oil futures for November were trading at $42.80 on the ICE futures exchange in London. Thus, Brent was 35 cents or 0.81% down from the previous close. On Friday, oil futures contracts lost 15 cents or 0.4% and closed the week at $43.15 per barrel. Meanwhile, WTI futures for October settled at $40.75 per barrel on the New York Mercantile Exchange. That is 0.88% up from the levels of the previous session. On Friday, WTI crude advanced by 14 cents or 0.3% to trade at $41.11 per barrel. For the past week, Brent rose by 8.3%, while WTI gained 10.1%. Market participants continue to monitor the situation around the COVID-19 spread around the world. Following the meeting of the OPEC's Joint Ministerial Monitoring Committee, the alliance agreed to extend the compensation period for the overproduced volumes until the end of 2020. The Energy Minister of Saudi Arabia assured that the excess supply of 2.4 million barrels per day will be reduced from September through December 2020 to compensate for the overproduction. According to Commerzbank analyst Eugene Weinberg, the additional output cuts will help the market avoid supply glut and will considerably decrease oil stockpiles. The JMMC recommended that participating countries should be ready to take further necessary actions to stabilize the market if needed. The ruble is losing ground on Monday as falling oil prices offset the rising demand for emerging market currencies. Early in the day, the dollar-ruble pair was trading at 76.29, with the ruble down by 0.73% from the previous close. Oil fell on Monday on the potential return of output in Libya. In addition, rising coronavirus cases also added to worries about global fuel demand. Moreover, a new tropical storm heading for the U.S. Gulf of Mexico weighed on the prices. Analysts expect the ruble to rebound on Monday as non-resident companies will be paying taxes in Russia this week. According to analysts at Allure broker Alexei Antonov, the ruble may slightly advance on Monday. However, the US dollar will still hold at the level of 75 against the ruble. And that is all for now. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you back soon. Bye.